Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to activate your Monday morning coffee if you haven't done so already. It's basically a weekly newsletter that goes out to your client list with pre-written up-to-date real estate news. So, after you log into your client creator account, you'll look to the left column over here and click on the Monday morning coffee. You can preview the current newsletters and the previous letters and the client signed up for it through this menu. This feature is included with our services. It's up to 3,000 emails per month, but I think we are actually moving it to 5,000 for most clients soon. But just click on the Sign Up Now button to activate it. For reference, the Monday Morning Coffee preview will be available on the Friday in the system before the Monday coming up. So here you can find the current newsletter, the previous newsletters. You can actually preview them. That was sent on the 22nd, which is today. You can preview them. And you can also change, edit, add, or delete the verbiage. But make sure you go over this newsletter before it goes out sometime during the weekend. If you want to make any changes, because once Monday hits, it's out as is. It's just sent. It's very important that you do this because the system is generally automated and we won't be able to change anything after it's sent out, which is usually around 5 and 6 a.m. But as you can see, you can resend to the client. You can resend to all for that newsletter manually if you wanted to get it out there again. But you can see 415, 408, 401, they're all sent out on Mondays. So these will be the letters and newsletters sent to your clients that are signed up for it through your client list. So if you have any other questions regarding Monday Morning Coffee, you can always reach out to us at clientcreatorsupport.com. And thanks for watching.